Stuck finding your Pipedrive User ID? It is hidden in the URL. I will show you exactly where in 60 seconds. So here is the deal. You need that user ID for an API integration or maybe to give to Pipedrive support, but the standard settings menu just does not show it. It is actually hidden in a pretty clever spot. We are going to walk through it step by step. Open up your settings, find the Users section, and then pull the ID straight from the address bar. It takes less than a minute. All right, go ahead and open up Pipedrive in your browser. I will wait right here. Now click your profile icon in the very top right corner. It is usually your initials or a little avatar picture. From that drop-down menu, select Company Settings. This is the main control panel for your account. Give the settings page a moment to fully load. Sometimes it takes a couple of seconds, especially if you have a lot of integrations. Once it is loaded, look down the left-hand sidebar. You are looking for a section called Manage Users. It is usually under a heading like Users or Company. Go ahead and click on Manage Users. Now here is where the magic happens. You will see a list of everyone in your account. Find your own user account in that list. It should be fairly obvious, usually listed first. Next to your name, you will see a little icon with 3 dots. That is the 3-dot menu. Click it. From that menu, select User Overview. Once you click that, Pipedrive will load a dedicated page just for your user details. Give it that 1 second to load up. And here is the really important part. Look up at the browser address bar. The URL you see now is the key. You are looking for a web address that contains users/details. So it will look something like yourcompany.pipedrive.com/users/details. Now, avoid reading the entire URL. You just need the number that comes immediately after the word details. Not a slash after details, but the number right there. So if the address bar shows something like users/details/24362693, that number, the 24362693, is your Pipedrive user ID. In my experience testing this across multiple accounts, that number is always the user ID. It is never a letter or a mix of letters and numbers. It is just a straight numeric ID. Once you see it, you can select it with your mouse and copy it. You can paste it into your API setup or into whatever support ticket you are working on. Now, a quick troubleshooting tip. If you do not see users/details in the URL at all, it usually means you did not click User Overview from that 3-dot menu. You might be on the General User Management page instead. Just go back, click those 3 dots, and select User Overview again. That is the specific page you need. And one more thing. If you are an admin, you can actually find any user's ID this way by clicking on their name in the list and following the exact same steps. So if you need a teammate's ID for some reason, you have got it. That is it. From frustrated searching to grabbing it in seconds. Now you know exactly where to look. Go ahead and use that ID with confidence. Thanks for watching.